Matthew Whitaker, former acting attorney general, joins me now. Matthew, is this a win for Mr. Trump and his legal team?
Yeah, it's definitely a tactical win. It's good to be with you also. In this case, obviously, there's going to be small steps. I think the next strategic, and tactical play is this hearing on Friday where they have to have come up with someone to serve in this role as special master. I'm not sure that the government is going to agree to any names proposed by the Trump team and vice versa. So this could be a little bit of a grind here as to get the rules for the special master and then pick the person.
Matthew, why is the FBI opposed to this special master? By opposing a special master, it seems like they got something to hide.
It really does. I think this case, probably more than any other case that I'm familiar with, demands transparency and some level of accountability because, the FBI used the most intrusive means when they executed a search warrant at Mar-a-Lago. They have obviously grabbed more than they were entitled to under a overbroad warrant. They grabbed passports, medical records, attorney-client privilege documents. And remember, this judge was very specific that while the executive privilege is a question, and the government may be right in their position. She did emphasize that executive privilege is still an argument that the Trump team should be able to make before the government just grabs over 11,000 documents as part of this search warrant execution. It
seems like we're in for long-term delay before we find out exactly what's going on here. And during that delay, I don't know about you, but I'm expecting a lot of leaks. Somebody in the White House will pick up the phone and talk to the Washington Post or the New York Times with damaging information on the surface, damaging to Mr. Trump. Is that what we're in for all the way through till November?
Well, there's no doubt that DOJ and FBI have a significant leaking problem as it relates to this case. And really more generally, this is something that if Merrick Garland were serious about doing justice the right way without fear or favor, as he says, then he should clamp down on these leaks. They should not litigate this case in the media. And, it's a shame that this is what it's come to. But remember, one of the reasons that was used to justify their raid of Mar-a-Lago was the nuclear secrets that were allegedly about to be released. So it's obviously a serious issue, and these leaks need to stop immediately.
And it just goes on, doesn't it? Matthew Whitaker, thank you very much for being with us this Tuesday morning. We do appreciate it, sir. Thanks a lot.